How to buy penny stocks on Robinhood. Launch the Robinhood app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that you are logged into your Robinhood account. Use the search function within the app to find the penny stock you want to purchase. You can search by the company name or the stock symbol. Once you find the penny stock you're interested in, tap on it to view more details. Take a moment to review important information such as the stock price, market cap, and recent performance. On the stock's detail page, you should see a button labeled Trade or Buy. Tap on this button to proceed with the purchase. After tapping Trade, you will be prompted to select whether you want to buy or sell the stock. Since you want to purchase penny stocks, choose the Buy option. Enter the number of shares you want to buy and select the order type. For penny stocks, you'll likely choose a market order to execute the trade at the current market price. You can also choose a limit order if you want to set a specific price for your purchase. Double-check the order details, including the number of shares and the order type. Ensure that everything is accurate before proceeding. That's how you can buy penny stocks on Robinhood.